Embark on a journey through the dynamic world of reinforcement learning, RL in AI, a field where machines learn from their actions and evolve through trial and error. This branch of machine learning is driving significant advancements in AI, enabling systems to make decisions in complex, unpredictable environments. The essence of reinforcement learning. At the heart of RL is the concept of learning by doing. In this setup, an AI agent interacts with an environment, making choices and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. This feedback guides the agent in learning to perform tasks more efficiently, adapting its strategy to maximize rewards over time. Real-world applications of reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning has found remarkable applications across various domains. In gaming, AlphaGo by DeepMind is a quintessential example. It learned to play and eventually defeated world champions in the complex board game Go, a feat previously thought impossible for AI. Another domain is autonomous vehicles, where RL algorithms help cars learn from vast amounts of driving data, enabling them to make safe, real-time decisions on the road. Challenges and future potential of reinforcement learning. While reinforcement learning heralds a new era in AI, it's not without challenges. One major hurdle is the requirement of vast amounts of data and computational power. This makes it difficult to implement RL in real-world scenarios where such resources are limited. Moreover, ensuring that the AI makes ethical and safe decisions remains a critical concern, especially in applications like healthcare and autonomous driving. The future potential of RL, however, is immense. Advances in computing power and algorithm efficiency are opening new frontiers. We're witnessing the early stages of RL applications in personalized healthcare, financial trading strategies, and complex problem-solving in physics and chemistry. In conclusion, reinforcement learning in AI represents a significant leap towards creating intelligent systems that learn and adapt autonomously. As we overcome current challenges, RL's potential in enhancing decision-making across diverse fields is boundless, from revolutionizing healthcare with personalized treatment plans to optimizing financial strategies. RL is set to play a pivotal role in our technological future. Embracing this advanced AI paradigm, we stand at the cusp of a new era of machine intelligence, promising solutions to some of the most complex problems facing humanity today. The journey of RL in AI is just beginning, and its full impact remains to be seen.